I welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 12th information practices, and the topic is types of SQL commands. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Dragmulla. We have already learned what is SQL. SQL is structured query language, the language which is used for create, modify or manipulate our database or our relational database. That is, SQL is a programming language which is used to create database in the form or relational database in the form of tables in rows and columns. Now there are various commands which are required to process this data. So this is where SQL commands comes into picture. SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. So SQL commands are instructions. SQL communicates through its instructions to the database. It is used to communicate with the database. SQL commands are used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions and queries of data. So SQL commands are used for specific tasks, functions and queries of data. SQL perform various tasks like create a table, add a table, to tables, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for users. So SQL can perform various tasks like creation of table, adding data to tables, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for users. All those tasks are done through various instructions, or you can say SQL commands. Now there are five types of SQL commands. First is DDL, DML, DCL, TCL and DQL. I will show you in the chart. There are types of DDL command. SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL. DDL consists of mostly create, drop, alter, truncate. DML consists of insert, update, delete commands. DCL consists of grant, revoke commands. TCL consists of commit, rollback, save point commands. DQL consists of select commands. Now, what are these types of SQL? First is DDL. DDL is data definition language. It consists of those commands which are used to define the database. Second is DML, that is data manipulation language. These are those commands. This consists of those commands which helps us to manipulate our database. Third category is DCL, data control language. These are those types of commands which helps us to control our data. Fourth is TCL. TCL is that consists of that types of commands which helps us to control our transactions of data. Fifth is data DQL, that is data query language, which is used to supplement various queries of data of our database. Students, this is it for today's topic of SQL commands. In our next two videos we will go on to discuss one by one these types of commands and what are the different types of commands in these five categories. We will study all of them in our subsequent videos. Students, let us revise these topics. We will come up with more and more videos related to your syllabus. Students, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.